Clever climbers. Mountain goats are clever climbers. They live on high cliffs. Their hooves click and clatter. Koalas are clever climbers. They have sharp claws to climb trees. Monkeys are clever climbers. They have strong hands to clutch branches. Lions are clever climbers. They have strong claws. Sometimes whole families climb the same tree. Geckos are clever climbers. Their toes cling to most things. Sloths are slow but clever climbers. They have curved claws to help them hang on. Many animals are clever climbers. Squirrels climb, bears climb. Can you name any other clever climbers?